Hello friends, I think all of you know that your ICSE going to be held in two terms, term 1 and term 2. In term 1 there are only MCQ basis questions, okay, and the examination is expected to be held in November. Recently ICSE has released specimen question papers for all subjects. Today I will solve the papers of maths in detail, okay. Have a look on the question pattern. In this question pattern there are three sections, section A, section B and section C. In section A there are number of question is 16 and each carry 1 marks. So total marks in section A is 16. In section B there are 6 questions and each carry 2 marks. So in group B there are total 12 marks, and in C there are 3 questions and each carry 4 marks. So in group C total marks 12. So total. Let's start. My question is, a matrix A is of order 3:2 and matrix B is of order 2:2, and the matrix AB is of order 3:2, 3:1, 2:3 or 1:3. Matrix A is of order 3 cross 2. Here matrix A is of order 3 cross 2 and matrix B is of order 2 cross 2. Here you can see the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix, and this is the condition for multiplication of two matrices. So here it is fulfilled, and therefore the order of matrix AB will be 3 cross 2. Okay, so option A will be the right option. Now number 2, the percentage of SGST of total GST for a intrastate sale of an article is 25%, 50%, 75% or 100%. All of you know that GST can be divided into two parts in case of intrastate sale, that is CGST and SGST. If total GST is 100%, then it is divided into two equal parts, so each part will be 50%. Okay, so therefore option B will be the right answer. Number 3, the question is, ABCD is a trapezium with AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Then the triangle AOB is similar to which of the following angle? Here you can see AB is parallel to DC, and if DB be the transversal, then these two angles are equal because these two angles are alternate angle. Similarly, AB is parallel and AC is transversal, so therefore this angle is equal to this angle. So from this two angle AOB and COD, two pair of angles are equal, and this is the condition for similarity of two triangles. So we can say that triangle AOB is similar to the triangle COD. Okay, so AOB is similar to triangle COB. Now in question number 4, the mean proportion between 9 and 16 is what? So it will be, just in short method, have to root over the product of 9 and 16, and it will be 3 cross 4, that is 12. So this is the answer. Okay, the MCQ, so you will do in this way. If the number of marks is 2, then you will do in this way, that is 9 by x is equal to x by 16. Here x is the mean proportion. Okay, So here it is x square is equal to 9 into 16. Therefore x equal to root over 9 into 16, that is 12. Okay. Now in question number 5, a man deposited rupees 500 per month for 6 months and received rupees 3300 as the maturity value. The interest received by him. Okay. So the man total deposited rupees 500 into 6, that is rupees 3000, and he received rupees 3300. Therefore he take as interest rupees 300. Okay, so option B will be the right answer. Question number 6. The solution set representing the following number line is. Here you can see a number line, and I think all of you know that this symbol means point 2 is not included in this solution set, and this sign means minus 3 is included in this solution set. So here the solution will be x greater or equal to minus 3, because here 3 is included, and x less than 2 because here 2 is excluded. So option A will be the right answer. Okay. In question number 7, you can see the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression is 1, 9, 17. Then next 2 terms are. It is a very easy problem. So here A is the first number and common difference D is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. So after 17 the number will come number 25, and after 25 it will be plus D and it will be 33. So option C will be the right answer. Okay. Now question number 8. Here it is said that triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP, then the corresponding proportional sides are what? At first I draw a picture. A, B, C, Q, R, P. These two angles are similar. Okay, means angle A is equal to angle Q, angle B is equal to angle R, and angle C is equal to angle P. Now from similarity condition we get AB divided by QR is equal to BC divided by RP is equal to CA divided by PQ. Okay. Now you can see here in option A, AB by QR is equal to BC by RP. So this is the right option. So no need to see the another options because we get the right option here. Okay. In number 9, if x is belongs to W, then the solution set of the equation minus x greater than minus 7 is equal to what? Here it is given minus x greater than minus 7. Therefore we can write it as x less than 7. So the solution set will be less than 7. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So option B will be the right answer. Okay. Now we solve question number 10. Okay. And the question is the roots of a quadratic equation 4x square minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0 are 1.390 and 0.359. The roots correct up to 2 significant figure. Okay. So 1.390 and another one is 0.359. Here it is said that the roots correct up to 2 significant figure. So we will take up to 2 significant figure. Okay. But the condition from round off, you can know that if the number up to which we have to take, if the next number is 5 or greater than 5, then one is added to the previous number. So the number will be 1.4, and in this case 0.35, and after 5 the number is 9, it is also greater than 4. Okay, so we can write it as 0.36. So which option? Yes, number C will be the right answer. Number 11. Here you can see 1.53x and 8 are proportion. Then x is equal to what? So 1.5 divided by 3 is equal to x by 8. We have to find out x. So x will be 1.5 into 8 divided by 3. It will be 10. Then 5 3s are 15. 5 2. 3 3s are vanish. It will be 4. So the right answer is 4. Number 12. Here you can see if a polynomial 2x square minus 7x minus 1 is divided by x plus 3, then the remainder is what? Okay. I think all of you know that remainder theorem. And what is the remainder theorem? If fx is a polynomial divided by x minus a, then remainder will be what? Then remainder will be what? F of a. F of a. Okay. Here the polynomial is 2x square minus 7x minus 1, and it is divided by x plus 3. So we can put x plus 3 in the form x minus a. So we can write it as x plus 3 can be written as x minus of 3. Okay. Here the remainder will be f of minus 3. 2, we just put the value of minus 3 in the place of x. So minus 3 whole square minus 7 into minus 3 minus 1, and it will be 9 into 2, it will be 18 plus 21 minus 1, and it will be 38. So option B is the right answer. Now we will solve problem number 13. Okay. It is said that if 73 is the nth term of a arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, 18, then n is what? And you can see 3 means the first term, and the common difference between 3 and 8 is 5. So d is equal to 5. We have to find out the value of n. Here Tn is equal to 73. Therefore we can write it as a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 73. So it will be a means 3 plus n minus 1 into d, value of d is equal to 5 is equal to 73. We can write it as n minus 1, therefore n is equal to 15. Okay, so option C will be the right answer. Now we will solve the problem 14, but here the space is not available, so we will do it in the next page. Okay, so here the quadratic equation is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. We compare it with the general equation of second degree, and it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Implies after comparing we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 1. To find out the nature of the roots, we have to find out the discriminant. Okay, what is discriminant? Discriminant, it is b square minus 4ac. Now if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots will be real and distinct. And if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal, and if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real or imaginary. Okay, now we will find out b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant. B square minus 4ac, here b means 2, so 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 1, that is 4 minus 4, and it is 0. So from that condition we get the roots are real and equal. Okay, Now we will solve problem number 15, and the problem is which of the following statement is not true. First one is all identity matrix are square matrix. Yes, it is right statement because all identity matrix is of the form or all of these are square matrix, so it is true. Okay. Next one is all null matrix are square matrix. It is not true because in the null matrix can be in the form 0 0 0 0 0 0. It is not a square matrix. So all null matrix are square matrix. It is a false statement. Next one is for a square matrix, number of rows equal to the number of columns. Yes, obviously now number of rows and number of columns are same in a square matrix, so it is true statement. Number D is a square matrix all of whose elements except those in the leading diagonals are 0 is the diagonal matrix. Yes, this is the definition of a diagonal matrix, and it is said that a square matrix which has all elements 0 except those on the leading diagonals is called a diagonal matrix. For an example, 0 0 2 0 0 0 2, you can see except the diagonal elements all the elements are 0, so this is a diagonal matrix, so it is true statement. Okay. Next one, we solve problem number 16, and the problem is if x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial x cube plus 2x square minus 13x plus k, then k is equal to what? Then k is equal to what? Minus 10, 26, minus 26 or 10. I think all of you know the factor theorem. Here we apply the factor theorem. What is factor theorem? If x minus a is a factor of a polynomial fx, then fa will be 0. So here we write x minus 2 is a factor of fx, that is x cube plus 2x square minus 13x plus k. Therefore, by factor theorem, we can write f of 2 will be 0. So it will be, we replace x by 2, so it will be 8, then 2 into 2 square means 4 minus 13 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore 8 plus 8 minus 26 plus k is equal to 0. Or we can write 8 plus 8 means 16, 16 minus 26, it is minus 10, so k is equal to 10. Okay, so option number D is the right answer. Okay, now we will solve section B and solve problem number 17. A man deposited rupees 1200 in a recurring deposit account for 1 year at 5% per annum simple interest. The interest earned by him on maturity is what? Option A, B, C or D. We know that if a amount P is deposited for n months and the rate of interest is equal to R, then the interest on whole deposit will be I is equal to P into n plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Okay, here you can see here P is equal to 1200, n is equal to 12 months and R is equal to 5. Okay, so therefore the interest earned by him on maturity will be P means 1200 into n means 12, 12 into n plus 1 means here n is equal to 12, therefore it is 13 by divided by 2 into 12 into 5 by 100. Here 0 0 will be crossed out, then 12 12, 2 6 are 12. Therefore, it is 30 into 13 and it is 390. Okay, so option B will be the right answer. Okay, now we will solve problem number 18. Okay, here you can see if x square minus 4 is a factor of the polynomial x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4, then its factors are what? There is a list. Now you can see here the degree of the equation is 3, so it has 3 factor. Okay, and 2 of them is given because x square minus 4 means x plus 2 into x minus 2. So 2 factor are given. We have to find out another factor. Then we can find the another factor by division. X cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Now it will be x cube minus 4x. And here after subtraction it will be x square and minus 4. Then plus 1, it will be x square minus 4. So the another factor is x plus 1. Therefore, the polynomial has 3 factors, x plus 2, x minus 2 and x plus 1. So which option is the right option? X minus 2, x plus 2 and x plus 1. And this is the right option. So option D will be the right answer. Okay. Now we will solve problem number 19. Here you can see the following bill shows the GST rates and the mark price of the article A and B. Article A and B, mark price and rate of GST. Okay, so for the article A, the GST amount will be rupees 300 into 12%, means rupees 36. And for article B, the GST will be 1200 into 5 by 100, so it will be 60. Therefore, total GST will be 96 and the total mark price is rupees 1500. Therefore, the amount to be paid for the above bill will be, of course, it will be mark price plus GST, and this is, so option B will be the right answer. Okay. Now we will solve problem number 20, and the problem is the solution set for the linear inequation x minus 7 greater or equal to minus 8 less than minus 4, x belongs to I, is what of these options? So here x minus 7 greater or equal to minus 8 less than minus 4. Now if I add 7 in each of these, then what will happen? Minus 8 plus 7 . Now we want to find out the value of x. Here it is x minus 7. So if we add 7, then the 7 will be vanished and we get x. So it will be minus 1 less than 3. Okay. Therefore, the solution set will be x greater or equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to, because x is less than 3. So ABCD, yes, the solution D will be the right answer. Now we will solve problem number 21. Here you can see if 5a by 7b is equal to 4c by 3d, then by componendo and dividendo what will be the option? Okay, then it is given 5a divided by 7b is equal to 4c by 3d. Then by componendo and dividendo property what we will get? 5a plus 7b divided by 5a minus 7b is equal to 4c plus 3d divided by 4c minus 3d. So this will be the right answer. Now we have to find out it. here 5a plus 7b divided by 5a minus 7b, yes, but this portion is not right. It is 5a and this is not right. Cross, this is 5a plus 7b divided by 5a minus 7b is equal to 4c plus 3 divided by 4c. Yes, this is the right option. Now we will solve problem number 22. Here, if a is 20 minus 17, then a square will be what? A square means a into a. We can write it as 20 minus 17 into 20 minus 17. So we can write it as 2 minus 1. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 1 and 0 plus 0. So it will be plus 0. Then 2 and minus 1, it is minus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 into 7, it will be minus 7. Next 0 7, 0 into 2 means 0 plus 0, 7 into 0 means 0, so it is 0. Next one is 0 into minus 1, 0 plus 7 into 7 means 49. So it will be 4 0 minus 9 49. Okay, so which is the option? 4 0 49. Yes, this is the right option. Okay, section C. Okay, and the problem number 23 is the distance between station A and B by road is equal to 240 km and by train 300 km. A car starts from station A x km per hour, whereas a train starts from the station B with the speed of 20 km more than the speed of the car. Okay. So at first we have to find out the time taken by the car to reach station B. So suppose this is station A and this is station B. And by road the distance is 240 km. By train the distance is 300 km. Okay. Now it is said that if a car starts from the station A with a speed x km per hour, the velocity of the car, this is car, and the velocity of the car is x km per hour, whereas train starts from the station B, here it starts from station B and the speed is 20 km more than the speed of the car. So the speed of the train is x plus 20 km per hour, train speed, and this is car speed x km per hour. Now we know that A is equal to Vt formula, that is distance is equal to velocity into time. Therefore time will be s by v, that is distance by velocity. Now for problem number 1, the time taken by the car to reach station B, here the total distance for car is 240 km and the velocity of the car is x km per hour, so it is by x. Obviously it will be hour. Here is a mistake, here the unit is not given, so it will be 240 by x hour. This option will be the right answer. Okay. Now problem number 2, here the time taken by the train to reach station A. Similar way, let us suppose this time is time t2 and in this case the distance is 300 km and the velocity is x plus 20 km, so x plus 20 hour. So option D will be the right answer. Now problem number 3, if the time taken by the train 1 hour less than taken by the car, then the quadratic equation formed is what? Okay, here time taken by the car is 24x by x and time taken by the train is 300 divided by x plus 20, and here it is said that the time taken by train is 1 hour less than the time taken by the car. So we can write it as 240 by x minus 300 divided by x plus 20 is equal to 1 hour, and this is the equation. Now if we make a LCM, x into x plus 20, and it will be 240 into x plus 20 minus x into 300 is equal to 1. In next line it will be 240x plus 4800 minus 300x is equal to x into x means x square plus 20x. It is multiplied with 1. Then it will be 240x minus 300. It means it will be minus 60x plus 4800 is equal to x square plus 20x, and it can be written as x square. When minus 16x go to the right hand side, it will be plus, and it will be plus 80x, and it will be minus 4800 is equal to 0. Okay, and this is the required equation. So option B is the right answer. Okay, now the fourth one is the speed of the car is what? We have to find out the speed. From here, at first we have to find out the value of x, because here it is given the speed of the car is x kilometer per hour. So we have to find out the value of x. So from here we can get x square 4080. It means 120 into 40. Yes. So it will be, and here the minus sign, so what we will do, 120x minus 40x minus 4800 is equal to 0. So taking common x as, so it will be x plus 120 minus 40 common, so it will be x plus 120 is equal to 0, and this will be x plus 120 into x minus 40 is equal to 0. So from this we get x equal, but this is not possible because velocity is not negative. So here we take 40. Therefore the speed of the car is 40 km per hour. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Now we will solve problem number 24. In the given figure, PQR AB is parallel to QR. AB, here AB means AB is parallel to QR, and QP is parallel to QP. QP means here QP is parallel to CB. Yes, QP is parallel to CB, and AR intersect CB at the point O. Using the given diagram, answer the following question. Now the triangle ARQ means this angle is similar to which angle? We know from the similarity condition that if two triangles are similar, then at least two pair of angles will be equal of these triangles. Okay, now we find out the which triangle is similar to triangle ARQ. Here R is common between ORC. If we take triangle ORC and triangle AQR, angles R is common, that is it is common angle. Okay, and it is same for both of them. And now PQ is parallel to BC and QR is transversal. Therefore this angle will be this angle, because both of them are corresponding angle. We know that if two lines are parallel and it is a transversal, then this angle are equal because these are corresponding angle. Therefore, these two angle will be equal. So therefore, from these two triangle, two pair of angles are same. Therefore, we can say that triangle ARQ is similar to triangle ORC. Okay. Now we solve problem number 2. Here it is given triangle PQR is similar to triangle BCR by which axiom? Here you can see PQR, triangle PQR and BCR Here in the similar way, PQ is parallel to BC. Therefore, this angle are corresponding angle and these two angle are same. Therefore, these two triangle are equal. Once again, R is common in between both. So, R is same for both the triangles. Remaining angle P is equal to B. Therefore, option B is the right answer. Now we solve problem number 3. If QC is equal to 6 cm, CR is equal to 4 cm, BR is equal to 3 cm, the length of RP is equal to what? Okay. So at first we refresh the picture. So here it is said QC is equal to 6 cm, means QC it is 6 cm. This part is 6 cm and BR and CR means 4 cm. 4 cm it is given. Therefore, total QR is equal to what? QR is equal to 10 cm. Okay. And BR means this is equal to 3 cm. It is given. We have to find out the length RP. We have to find out the length RP. What is the P? RP. We have to find out the length RP. Okay. From the previous condition, triangle PQR is similar to triangle BCR. Okay. So here the ratio of corresponding side will be equal. So we can write it PQ by BC is equal to QR by CR, and last one is PR divided by BR. Okay, this one by this one by this one, and at last this one by this one. We have to find out RP. In which relation RP? Yes, in that case it is given RP. So we take this portion because it here QR is given, CR is given. We have to find out RP or PR or BR is equal to given. So from that part we can write QR means 10 divided by CR means 4 is equal to PR means we have to find out PR or RP, or BR means BR is given, it is 3. So PR or RP we write it here, RP is equal to 30 by 4. Therefore it will be 215. So it is 7.5. So option C is the right answer. Now the last one. Here the ratio of PQ and BC we have to find out. I have already find out the relation PQ by BC. So we use this relation PQ by BC is equal to QR by CR. QR by CR means 10 by 4 means 5 2. Okay. So from here we can write PQ is to BC is equal to 5:2. So option C is the right answer. Okay, the last one is problem number 25, and the problem is the nth term of an arithmetic progression is 3n plus 1. So nth term means Tn. Here it is given Tn is equal to 3n plus 1. You may write An. Okay, the first three terms of this AP. So therefore T1 will be 3 into 1 plus 1 means 4. T2 will be 3 into 2 plus 1 means 7. T3 will be T3 into 3 plus 1 means 10. So first three terms are 4, 7 and 10. Next number 2. It is number 1. The common difference of the AP. Obviously 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. And problem number 3 is, which of the following AP is not a term of AP? Which of the following is not a term of AP? Here it is given Tn is equal to 3n plus 1. Okay, so each term of the arithmetic progression will satisfy the relation. Therefore at first we take 25, so therefore we take 3n plus 1 is equal to 25 is equal to implies 3n is equal to 24, therefore n is equal to 8. Yes, therefore 25 is the 8th term of the arithmetic progression. So it is the term of arithmetic progression. So 25 is the 8th term. Okay, now next term will be 20. Here common difference is 3, so next term will be 9th term will be 25 plus 3, that is 28. 9th term, and then next term will be 28 plus 3, it will be 31. 10th term. Okay, now therefore 25 is a term of the AP, 28 also is a term of the AP, 31 is also a term of the AP. Only 27 is not the term of the AP. So this is the right option. Last one is sum of the first 10 term of the AP. We have to find out the first 10th term. Okay, here A is equal to what? A is equal to 4. First term means 4. Common difference D is equal to 3, and first 10th term N means 10. So therefore S10 will be, according to the formula, N by 2 into twice A means 4, plus N minus 1, N means 10 minus 1 into D means 3. So it will be 5 into 2 4s are 8 plus 9 into 3 means 27. Therefore it is 5 into 35, and we can write it as 175. Okay, so therefore option B will be the right answer. So at last we solved all the problems from the question paper. Okay, if you face any difficulties to do the problem, then of course mention a comment in the comment box. I will help you. So today up to here. If you like my teaching, then press the like button. You may also subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. So bye, today up to here.